here they.
They got tongues in their mouth. Look at them. You see them? They different.
Oh, look at his feet though. He working.
But they different.
Yeah, they are.
These two are the same kind, but they're different from me. Look at them. Y'all getting left. Y'all not gonna go with your mama?
Well, they following somebody else now though.
They could have been daddy.
Yeah.
Well, it might have been with mama first, and then they was daddy. Look, 'cause she calling them. Look.
They got tongues.
That's what I said. They got tongues in their mouth.
And they hanging out like dogs.
Look. You told them to come on, and look, they went. Look. That is so fresh. Yeah, that's their mama and their daddy.
Yeah. They split up. The two that won't the mama car.
And then there's the mama and the daddy right here too. Okay, let's go. This one now. This kind of dope.
Yeah, man. It was awesome.
That was dope, wasn't it?
The whole fam, like, right there.
Right.
And then he just over there chilling.
Right, you see him?
Yeah.
Look, there they go. They're going. And they got 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7.
They got 7.
Look at that. What's that swimming right there?
That's the one I said that's chilling.
How is he? No, over there. Look, going across the water.
Oh.
What is that?
Something swimming.
What is that, TJ?
I don't know. But it's moving.
Is it a turtle?
No, it's not a turtle. It can't be.
It's definitely not a duck. It just dove. Did you see that?
Yes.
Dope.
And I got it on camera.
That's so dope. Look. They diving. Did you see them? They underwater. You see them?
And I'm getting on camera. What's up? I see y'all doing y'all little thing. Uh-oh.
Right, or whatever that was. It just appeared and then disappeared. Alright, let's get out of here. That's dope. Come on.
Oh, he flapped his little wings.
Come on, boy. Because you ain't going to have no more pictures if you keep taking them.
Alright, y'all.